Hello friend, today we are going to download and install GIMP in our Windows 11 machine. First of all, you have GIMP download or GIMP, hit enter, and after that you can see the first link here and just see the download option. Download directly or you can download from Microsoft Store, and you can also download from BitTorrent. I'm just going to click download directly. It takes some time and after that it will start downloading in our machine. Okay, after download just click show in folder and you can see the download file, exe file of GIMP. Just double click on it and after that I minimize. Just click on install for all user. Just click on yes, and after that choose your language. Just click on OK. Click on install. It takes some time and after that it will successfully install in our Windows machine. Okay, now after that just click on finish. Now our GIMP is successfully installed in our Windows machine. Just click on search button and search GIMP and hit enter. It takes some time first time. After that it will load faster than first time. Okay, now you can see it start loading. Now here we go. You can see we successfully install GIMP in our Windows machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Bye bye.